Hi, you all, it's me, Khwahish, again, and welcome to the space where I try to explore and experiment with things a little more often. So, firstly, honestly, I don't know how to start this, but all I want to say is if you find this video, this is the reminder to restart with things again. Restart with the things you are passionate about or you were passionate about, and you give up on them for the reason that they're not perfect or you are not perfect for them, or maybe the timing is not perfect, because there is a quote that we all know that timing is never perfect. You just know, you just have to take the moment and make it perfect. If that sounds right, I don't know, but this is what it is. I think this is the reason I always kept quitting things, because I wanted them to be perfect, and whenever it seems like it is not perfect or more than enough, I just choose the option to quit. And here I am again thinking that maybe it's different this time.
Hi guys, what's up? Hi. Okay. I don't know how to even start with. I mean, it's not like my first time I'm doing this. It's not like I first time I'm picking up my phone and just started recording. It's not the first time. That's why this video is all about it. That it's not the first time that I'm doing this thing. But I don't know. Whenever I do this, I kind of feel like I don't know. There are always mixed feelings of why am I doing this, and why on repeat am I doing this over and over again. But here we are doing this again. So yeah, let's go. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. Yeah, let just me introduce you guys to myself, to you guys. Sorry, introduce myself to you guys. Hi, my name is Khwahish. I am a working person. I'm a 21-year-old and I've also been studying Japanese language for like almost 4 years now. I mean, I don't have anything such creative to say about me, but I do like creative things. Like I do like doing creative stuff, and again, with that comes procrastination. With that comes laziness of me avoiding things I really want to do. I don't want this video as a lecture of to do something to motivate you guys, but it's just I don't know, it's like kind of a story time video, I guess, where I'll be telling you guys how this is not my first time doing YouTube or trying my hands on things which I really like doing. I mean, the creative stuff, making videos, art, fashion. There are so many things that I love. So yeah, I like doing creative stuff, and I'm kind of a person जिसको सब कुछ try करना है, like every single thing just as an imagination कि मुझे ये भी करना है, मुझे वो भी करना है, but at the end I just end up doing nothing, or at the end I don't know, start things, try to do them, but I end up deleting them or just giving up. I don't know, but yeah, this is what I do. बहुत मीठी बन गई, वरना 2 दिन से बहुत सही बन रही थी. I don't know. This is not my first time doing YouTube. I think started doing YouTube since the first year of my college, and through the time I'm just trying my hands on YouTube, doing YouTube, like making different kind of channels, and due to that I have made so many Gmail accounts. I have made videos, I have deleted them from YouTube. I have done a lot of stuff. I mean, I've just tried, keep on testing myself on things that I've never did, like for example editing, making stuff. I've learned whatever thoda bahut bhi through YouTube only, and applied to it on YouTube only. I don't know. I mean, what is keeping me back, what is just holding me back, I really don't know. But I just make stuff, I put it on online, I put it on internet, regardless of the fear of showing up, but just to make myself happy, just to I mean, there was a time back then when I used to fought with my parents, with my family, that I want to make videos, I want to be on YouTube, I want to make stuff, I want to make cool stuff, ye sab, because there are so many creators out there who I look up to. I just deleted my channel, and here I am filming again a video. I want this badly. I want to make on YouTube. It's not like about making on YouTube. I want to do stuff that I like in general, regardless of be it art or anything. I mean, anything. But I don't know. if there is the problem of continuing something that you like, or if there is the problem of, you know, it could be anything, I guess. But yeah, I mean, hi again. I don't know if there would be anyone watching this video. If you are thinking to restart, if you are thinking that, you know, you ended up things and there's no looking back now, and you know, there is no one going to watch your stuff, or there is, you know, nothing you will get out of this, I just want to remind myself and to you guys that let's just leave the result to the universe. Let's just do this. I mean, I want to try again. I want to try on my life. I want to try on the things that, you know, give me happiness, be it just editing a video, or be it just making a cool thumbnail, or be it just painting, or whatever, in general, whatever. But I just want to give it a restart again. Although I have done this so many times, I've told myself I'm not going to delete any videos now. I'm not going to, you know, just look for the views. I'm not going to do all this stuff. But here I am again, deleting a video and then coming back, filming a new one. This is very strange, but I don't know. I just want to do it. And through this video, I just want to tell myself that please do what you like and try to be consistent with it. If not consistent, just do it whenever you like, maybe. But yeah, that's it for the video. I don't want it to be so long, but yeah, that's it. And yeah, that's it, and bye bye.